It's Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and today I'm going to show you the lick of the day from, I believe it was April 10th. I checked my Instagram, I think it was April 10th, and it was a harmonic minor lick in D harmonic minor. So what the lick was something like that, right? And so I'm going to teach you guys how to play it. So what it is you're taking your pinky finger and you're on the 5th fret of the 1st string. Now this works with, I've got a low G on here, but because I never play that string, it doesn't matter. So you can play this on a low or high G. It starts off on the 1st string from 5 to 4 to 1 to open. So it goes like that. And then we go to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st fret of the 1st string, and then pull off, yeah? So it's like, and then we pull off down here. So 3, 1, open, and then we do it again. 3, 1, open, and then 2nd fret, 1st fret, 2nd fret on the 3rd string. So, and that's the lick of the day for April 10th. Alright guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button below, as well as subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this channel. I could always use more subscribers. Also, if you like the way I teach, check out my website, hawaiimusicschool.com. In fact, right now we have a free 2-week trial membership. So you can sign up today and get 2 free weeks, and you never know, you might like it, okay? So go ahead and sign up. Aloha!